In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, so ClickUp pings you at the right moment, right inside your inbox, helping you stay on top of what matters. First, open ClickUp in your browser and head into your workspace. Think of this as your home base, where all your work lives. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the space you want to work in. A space is a high-level area that groups related projects and teams, so pick the one that contains the task you want to remember. Inside that space, open either your board or your list. Both show the same tasks, just in different layouts. Board view uses columns and cards, which is great for visual workflows, while list view lays everything out in rows for quick scanning. Choose whichever view you prefer. The steps are the same from here. Next, click on the task you want to set a reminder for. This opens the task details so you can see its description, assignees, comments, and more. We're focusing on the task's options menu, which is located in the top right corner of the task window. Click the three-dot icon to open the task's More Actions menu. This menu is where ClickUp tucks away powerful task-specific tools. From that list, select Remind Me in Inbox. This tells ClickUp to send a nudge straight to your ClickUp inbox, which is the centralized place where your notifications and reminders show up. It's different from a due date. You're not changing the task's schedule. You're simply asking ClickUp to tap you on the shoulder at a specific time. When the reminder window appears, choose the date and time that work best for you. You can click a day on the calendar and set a precise time, or use any quick options that may appear, like later today or tomorrow, to move fast. Pick a moment when you know you'll actually be ready to act. If you're coordinating across time zones, make sure the time looks right for your local settings so the reminder lands exactly when you expect. That's it. You've created a reminder that will arrive in your ClickUp inbox at the time you chose, pointing you straight back to the task. This is a simple habit with a big payoff. It keeps important work from slipping through the cracks without cluttering your task timelines. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep using reminders for high-priority tasks and follow the same flow whenever you need a timely nudge in ClickUp.